Now, more on the local coronavirus outbreak as hospitalizations statewide continue to climb. In less than an hour, 2 new COVID-19 testing sites will close for the day. They are among 5 government-operated testing locations here in Duval County that are now up and running. News 4 Jax reporter Jim Piggott is joining us live from one of those new sites, the Emmett Community Center in northwest Jacksonville. Jim, how's it going?
Tom, it's been going pretty well. They've been busy today. You don't see anybody there now, but there are people inside getting the tests right now, and they also can get the vaccine here as well. It's the same thing at the Emmett Reed site. But the concern here, and I've seen this, a number of families coming and a number of kids that are being tested. And doctors are telling me that they're surprised at the number of kids who are becoming positive in all of this.
Jeffrey Pagan brought his family to the Emmett Reed Community Center so they could all be tested.
Just to get tested, just because COVID's getting up there again. And I'm actually vaccinated, but you never know. And I just want to make sure we all get tested as much as possible.
You had the little guys tested too?
Yes.
Have they been okay or what?
Yes, no, there's been no problems, but you just never know.
You never know, and I bet that's scary for a parent.
Yeah, no, definitely. There's a million symptoms, so.
Got it.
I see everybody knows. I take them to get tested.
At UF Health, we heard from one doctor yesterday who told us he's very worried about what he's seeing with kids and the virus.
What's more frightening is that of all the pediatric cases that we have tested over the past week at UF Health, 30% are coming back positive.
At Wolfson's Children's Hospital, we've been keeping track of the number of kids hospitalized. Today, at that facility, it's at 16 total, and 4 children are in the ICU. Doctors tell us they're watching closely what happens with pediatric cases now that school is back in session. Now, I've seen a lot of families at these sites. Many parents tell me they just want to make sure their kids are okay. Tawanda Washington from the Duval County Health Department is overseeing the operations at these new sites.
I wouldn't say a lot more than usual, but we are seeing children. Of course, we're open on Saturdays, so we want to remind parents of that want to come and get tested.
You know, and that's the situation here at Emmett Reed at the community center here. And over at Cuba Hunter on Saturday, they are going to be open from 9 to 4. And it's a good place now if you got some time and you need to be tested. There's really no line. So I would say come on down. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.